The following video is instructions on how to install this product. There are a few points I need to mention. Point 1. The plumber will need to connect the hot and cold water feeds as normal, as this isn't shown in the video, and they will need to check all connections are plumbed in securely. Point 2. The tap. Do not remove the flexi tails because this is hard to find the correct holes when putting them back in, so they must remain in the tap during this installation process. Point 3. When fitting the tap, make sure the base plate is screwed in tightly to avoid the tap twisting during usage. Point 4. The tank. Make sure the tank is filled with water before powering on, as this can burn the heating element inside. To do this, the left control knob will need to be twisted, which will allow water to pass through the pipes and into the tank to fill the tank. First of all, take your brass T-connector. On the opposite side to the fixing nut, you screw flexi pipe number 1, and then on the bottom side of the brass T-connector, use flexi pipe number 7. Screw this on. Use the carbon filter to then push the flexi pipe number 7 to the inside. Then you take your plastic push fit piping, put that into the outside of the carbon filter. Then you take your push fit T connector, push this onto the plastic push fit tubing and push flexi pipe number 3 into the top side of the T connector, and then on the opposite side of the T connector you're going to use some more plastic push fit piping. And then you take your antibacterial filter and you put the plastic push fit tubing into the inside, and then you take flexi pipe number 4 and push that into the outside of the filter. And then you take flexi pipe number 5 and screw this into the cold side of the boiling tank. This is the water in. And then you take flexi pipe number 6. You need to put the washer inside the fixing nut and screw this onto the hot side of the boiling tank. This is the boiling water from the tank to the tap side.